Africa Content TV.
This message is for Nigerians, especially the Yorubas. I'm saying this because I want other Nigerians to know. When I get on the throne, you see me talking about this Ooni Adewale. You will see me talking about what you don't know. I will tell you today. Governor of Osun State, commissioners. This I heard Ooni Adewale, but because Ongbe Orisha law, he was holding Orisha as and me, God has put me as above Orishas, as a king. Well, let's look at it. And because of that, as a kingmaker or somebody that helped the king to become the king that I was, he doesn't want me to say the story in the future. And he was looking for my downfall. Then the next thing, they packaged a woman. There was a woman that was packaged for me, but I don't know her from Canada. But it was packaged for me, it was a setup. After they set me up, they were talking to her in our own, she was in my house and they were talking to her and setting me up. Setting up with videos, setting up with many things. Ya video, this wife will be his supposedly wife, an ex-wife. But it was death they sent into my house, and they were communicating with her. She was there for over 3 years. She had a child, which I don't even know if it's my child now. I have to confirm that through DNA. Because they want her to kill me. She poisoned me 2 times. They set up assassination attempt. They did everything so that maybe the Orisha or the gods will kill me. Well, they failed. After I kicked this woman, when I found out the secret and I kicked this woman out, it was this Ooni Adewale Enitan Ogunwusi that asked him, what was the lady doing with him in the hotel? I won't mention the hotel, but when there's clarification, I will be mentioning. I'm also kí ṣe ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì papọ̀ lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó òun náà lọ gbalé fún àtọmọ àtìyàwó ní Ooni Adewale Ogunwusi. Ẹ wá ní mò ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni ìyàwó tó fẹ́ pàwọ́ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá o, tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ni tó bá jẹ́yìn ni ìyàwó tí wọ́n sẹ̀tì sínú ilé ẹ̀ tó wá pa ọ́ tí ò rí ọ pa. Ìjà yóò lè tán láti máa bá lọ èmi ò sì ṣe é pa ìbá àwọn ọba aṣoògùn títí òrìṣà ọkàn Ṣàngó ò lè pè mí bàbá mi lòrìṣà, bàbá mi ní Ṣàngó, bàbá ńlá mi, ṣùgbọ́n ọmọ gbọ́dọ̀ ju bàbá náà lọ. Mo ti dọ́ba lẹ́yìn. Ṣàngó ò lè pa mí, Ṣàngó is a criminal. Ògún ò lè pa mí, Ògún is a criminal. Àwọn bàbá ńlá wa ni, they are not criminals. So they won't be killing their children. Ògún àti Ṣàngó ìpààyàn. Ọlọ́run ọba Olódùmarè nìkan lọ́mọ gbàdé. Kọ́ máa gbógun tò, kọ́ máa ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní Ọ̀ọ̀ni ó suspend, Ọ̀ọ̀ni lè suspend lọ́ba. Paramount ruler ó suspend another paramount ruler. So ojú mi lọ ní àgbáwò. Àbó fi po jù mí lọ. Yamba sẹ́ẹ̀tì 1, 2, 3 ní Ọ̀ṣun kò ṣe pé àwọn paramount rulers wọn ò kàn lè kó gbogbo wa sí number 1 àwọn tá a jẹ́ náà paramount rulers. So wọn kálukú lọ mọ pé n ti ń bẹ lẹ́yìn ọ̀fà ó jòjì lọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn bá ti ṣe bí sí mi níjọ lẹ́yìn nígbà òun ṣéun